So we are focusing on the word lie here, and we already went over this, but guess what? We have a different definition with the exact same spelling. So remember, lie as in recline, lay flat, lay down. So that's a completely different definition. So this lie is to tell a falsehood. And their tenses are different. So the kind of laying down or reclining, that is lie, lay, and laying. But the other one, you are going to drop the E and spell lied. You lied to me. And then for the past participle, it's going to be lied. You lied to me, right? Okay, so this is going to make all of this so much easier because the simple past and the past participle are the exact same. And so you just need, if you want it to be in the perfect, you just need to put the correct auxiliary verb. And here you're just adding the word lied. This one right here, this lie is not an irregular verb. The other lie is an irregular verb. Isn't that fun? Do you guys think that's fun? I think it's so interesting. Our language is so difficult, but so fun and interesting. It's like a game trying to figure it all out. So this lie, to tell a falsehood. Now, can we say, now let's look at the past tense. We're going to go into the past tense and we're going to go into the perfect past. Can we say I had lain like that if we're going to use it as a lie in bed? So no, we would have to change lain to lied. But I had lied in bed. That would be really confusing because this means you're telling a lie in bed. And probably most people are not going to tell a lie in bed. Do you tell lies when you're sleeping?
No.
Okay, so let's put on a different preposition. This lie is still an intransitive verb. The other lie is an intransitive verb. This lie is an intransitive verb. So it does not take a direct object. Instead, to describe, you need to use prepositional phrases. You're using adverbs. But let's do the prepositional phrase about the laundry.
This lesson is targeted.
So I had lied about the laundry. Oh, so that means you did not do your laundry when I asked you to do it, right?
Hey.
Okay, so now let's look right here. So do we have to change this? So in the perfect tense, the first person, singular, and then you have to use your auxiliary verb with the past participle of lied. I had lied about the laundry. You had lied about the laundry. And then Paul had...
Hey, this is targeted.
And you have to change it. You can't use lane. Right? And you can't use lay if you're using it as in you're telling a falsehood, a fib. Paul had lied about. Okay. So you just need to make sure that you are getting the correct lied. So in the past simple, what are we going to do here? Past simple. We're going to change to lied. I lied. You lied. We're not going to change it all. And some people might lie in bed. Paul lied. Now, when you're in the past, your verbs don't change as much, correct? When you're using your past participles. Now, in the past progressive, I was lying about the laundry. Now this, on the other hand, you guys, stays the same. This is the exact same spelling. It means something different. So if you said I was lying in bed, people are thinking you're going to bed. So if they say I was lying about the laundry, I can't spell it all out, I don't have enough room, but then it means something totally different, right? You were lying about the laundry. Paul was lying about the laundry. Okay, so it means something completely and totally different. So now let's look at our present tense. You have to, if you're going into the perfect, you have to use the auxiliary verb have, and then do we use lain? I have lain in bed.
No.
No. I have, what do we do?
Lied.
Lied. I have lied in bed. Lied about
Cleaning the bath.
the laundry. I still wanted something easy to write. You have lied. So we need to get rid of this. So it's a little bit messy. And then look, present perfect, first person, second person, third person. We are keeping have, and then has, third person. It's in the present perfect. It's going to change. Has lied about the laundry. Okay? You know, and you can say other things, but make sure people are understanding what you're talking about. Now this is easy. This is the exact same word. I lie in bed. Are people going to think you're going to bed if you use this? Don't use something that people will get confused about. So, about the laundry. You lie in bed.
I lie.
You can't do that. About. Paul lies about the laundry. Look, present, simple. Lie, first person, singular, third person singular. Now we're saying lies. Paul lies about the laundry. I lie about the laundry. I lie about the laundry. Now look at this. Look at the present tense. I am lying in bed. Well, this is the exact same spelling, so you better make sure that are you telling a lie in bed, or are you lying in bed? Most likely you are lying down in bed. So you need to make sure it is understandable. So you are lying about the laundry. Paul is lying about the laundry. Okay? So same exact spelling for this right here. Now let's look at the future tense. Future perfect. The perfect future tense. And where's perfect right here? We're going to spell it this way. So that means we have to get rid of lain, because that's completely wrong, because that means you're reclined, right? I will have lied about the laundry. You will have lied. And did you plan it? Did you plan to lie about the laundry? Okay, Paul will have lied about the laundry. Okay, so now, future tense, the simple future. I will lie in bed. Yeah, maybe. But you're going to go, I will lie about the laundry, right? You will lie about. Paul will lie about the laundry. So you're planning on lying that you did the laundry, right? Okay, so now we're going into the progressive future tense. You're using your will. You have to use will be lying. So look, the lying here is the exact same spelling. So you've got to change this. This will be super confusing. I will be lying about the laundry. You will be lying about the laundry. Paul will be lying about the laundry. So make sure that you have your proper tenses, because this is a completely different word and it means something different. So now, simple tense stays exactly the same as it did with the other lie. And the progressive tense stays the same, the helping verb plus the ing, ly-ing. Now, this is a weird spelling. L-Y-I-N-G. That's how you spell lying. L-Y-I-N-G. Say that, you guys.
L-Y-N-G.
Now, the perfect, on the other hand, does not stay the same. It changes to lied. It changes to lied. And the simple past, does it change? Yeah, what does it change to? Lied. Now, the simple past and the perfect are the same verbs. Lied and lied. Lied and lied. Okay, I hope that was helpful. This was a really fun lesson to put together. I really hope it helps you, and we will see you in the next one.
Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next episode.